All right, so let's talk about the Home Depot returns. Here from the Home Depot website, you're going to scroll down to the bottom and select returns. So the Home Depot gives us options. You can go ahead and return the item inside of the store, or you can get Home Depot credit on one of their credit cards. So the special thing about the Home Depot, of course, is being able to return the product in the store and getting that credit. But the most important is the limit on the return. And their limit is from 90 to 180 days. Needless to say, it does get a little bit complicated. Also take into consideration that the Home Depot does offer customer support. You can text them and you can read about that here in their website as well. So now let's go over the process on how to return an item. Let's say online returns. You can go ahead and select return items. So now in this video, we're actually going to make a real-time call. They're going to ask us for a couple of verifications and we're going to give it to them. So the first thing you're going to do is select the item that you want to talk about with customer support. And you can also make a Skype call, which is what we're going to do in this example. The main reason for the Skype call is because we are outside of the United States.
To place a new order or for questions about an existing order or online products, press 2.
So here, when you actually reach this operator, you're going to go ahead and press 2 because you actually just want to talk about the order. And basically what you're going to do at this step is you're just going to follow the operator, whatever she says. You're just going to go ahead and select the numbers.
Okay, one moment while I check your order. I see multiple orders for this number. Are you calling about your order from Monday, April 18th?
No.
Are you calling about your order at the West Roxbury store from Monday, September 27th, 2021?
No.
Got it. I'm not able to help with multiple orders yet, but would you like me to connect you with someone who can?
Yes.
Okay, connecting you now.
And now we're actually going to speak to a representative.
Good morning. Thank you for calling HomeDepot.com. My name is Cassie, and may I have your name, please?
Hello, Cassidy. How are you today?
I'm doing good. How about yourself?
I'm doing fine. It's nice to meet you. My name is Ella.
Okay, and how can I assist you this morning?
I am looking to make a return on one of my orders.
What is the order number, please?
WP322-72146.
146. Thank you so much. And let me go ahead and pull that up. The phone number and the address, please.
All right, let me provide you with the billing address. It's 18 Memphis, Tennessee, area code 38107.
What is the email address on the order?
At gmail.com.
Okay, and I'm sorry, what was your name again?
Ella.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and what item is it that you wanted to return?
Everything else is fine, just the return on the Ryobi.
Okay, so all you have to do is take it to this Ryobi, you have to take it to a store to return.
And there's no way I can get a return label?
I'm sorry, this Ryobi.
So both the Ryobi and the Husky?
Yeah, those have to be returned to the store.
Okay, so then what types of products can I order online from the Home Depot in order to get a return label?
Yeah, most of the items do have to be returned to the store on it. So I would have to look at the items that you ordered.
Okay, so it basically depends on the item itself?
That is correct. Any other questions you might have today?
Nope, you have been very helpful.
Okay, well, it was a pleasure talking with you. I do want to thank you for calling Home Depot.
You too. Bye-bye. So they're not giving us the option to return the item, which is good for us. And the other option would just be them providing us a return label. So because I am from the United States, it's easier for me to take these items and return them to the store. No problems. But if you're not from the United States and if you know someone with logistics companies, you can actually ship the item back to them and they will actually take it to the store for you and return that item. But that's also a free option that people can use living in the United States. On the other end, they're going to send us an email and we can return the orders back from our clients.